When I first heard about Sync Edge, it just like the way you described it, I was like, yes, that's exactly what I need. I need that kind of someone to, like yourself, who's got all this experience to kind of give me the thought process that goes through your head as you're looking at libraries and analyzing, well, what are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? Where could I possibly fit in? Just that whole kind of analysis that you provide. When I heard you describe that, I was like, that's exactly what I need. I mean, it was just the perfect timing. You know, I didn't even have to think about it. I was, yes, I'm doing that. So it was a little bit was timing. I think, as you've said, also that you need to be ready to submit. You need to, your chops need to be at a place where you're ready to start submitting, right? So I was at that point, but I just didn't have. I felt like I needed a little direction and kind of some back end thoughts of how someone like yourself would go about doing it. And it was just super helpful.